Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM 2019 Biotechnology paper. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. So this is the question number 43 from section C. Therefore, it is a numerical answer type or NAT based question. That means we need to find a numerical answer for this particular questions. So let's see. Let XYZ be an equilateral triangle and let PQR be the midpoint of a YZ, XZ and XY respectively. Let RB is equals to area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle XYZ. Then we need to find the value of R. Given that XYZ be an equilateral triangle and PQR be the midpoints of YZ, XZ and XY. So if we draw a equilateral triangle in picture, then it looks like this. Though I draw it with hand, therefore it not seems to be a equilateral triangle, but for the sake of this solution, we assume that this is an equilateral triangle, and these are the points PQR, which are the midpoints of YZ, XZ and XY respectively. Therefore, the triangle PQR is this. Therefore, the area of triangle PQR divided by the area of triangle XYZ is equals to 1/4, that means 0.25. So the area of triangle PQR is 1/4 of the area of the triangle XYZ. That means the small triangular area is just the 1/4 portion of the whole area of the triangle XYZ. So our right answer is 0.25. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.